Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer GGives to CIMB Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. To do that, first of all, you simply have to open up your CIMB Bank and you have to link your account to the GCredit account. So what you're going to be doing is you're opening up your app, signing in, then go to GCredit section. Once you're here in the GCredit link section, you can find and this kind of interface which it requires you to choose an account you want to link. Tap on GCredit account, then go ahead and enter the credential. You have to enter the same mobile number and the email address that you have created your account GCredit account with to link from your CIMB Bank. Once you have added the credential, tap on the continue at the bottom. Now go ahead, add in your username accordingly, add in the password, add in the other requirements which includes your mother's name, add in that, tap on continue, and then you will have to add in your password for yourself. Create yourself a password, create yourself a username accordingly, add in all of the information as it is, tap on continue, follow the further prompts and confirm the transaction as well. That's how you will be able to link your CIMB Bank to GCredit account, and you can transfer the transaction likewise from GGives to CIMB Bank likewise. So hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.